Okay, this is the second side of scale factor finding sides. I'm going to blow this up as best I can. I'm going to look at this as x. How do I do that? Let's see. So since the scale factor is 3 to 1, since it is getting smaller, that means 3 over 1. So I'm going to do 3 times 3 to make the x. For this one, since I'm getting larger, I'm going to either, you can call it dividing by 3, or you can say times 1/3. Those mean the same thing. So for my y, I would do 24 divided by 3 equals 8. And for my x, I would do 3 times 3 equals 9. So there's number 1. Number 2 is a scale factor of 6. So since the scale factor is 6 and it's getting smaller, going to the x, that would either be times 1/6 or divided by 6. So x is 54 divided by 6 equals 9. The y would be getting larger, so that's going to be times 6. So I am going to take whatever that number is, 2 times 6, and I get 12. The third one, the scale factor is 5. The y is getting larger, so that would be times 5. And the x is getting smaller, so it would be times 1/5 or divided by 5. So x is 5 times 1/5 equals 1. Y is y times 1, or 5 over 1. I did that. Said the wrong thing. Hold on. Oh, that's not the right button. Sorry. Okay, now I actually erased it instead of highlighted it. Y is 10 times 5 equals, actually it's 5 over 1, equals 50. The reason why I'm putting these as fractions is so that you recognize that that scale factor creates the fractions. Because if it said a scale factor of 2 to 5, you would still need to do the same thing but multiply by a fraction. So these examples are a start, but not the only way. So this one is getting smaller, so it's technically times 1 over 8 because it's getting smaller. This one is getting bigger, so it's technically times 8 over 1, which is the same as 1. And we know that just means divided by 8. So x is 4 times 8 over 1 equals 32. Y is 8 times, and you'll put a little x, 1 over 8 equals 1. All right, this one is a scale factor of 1 to 9. So this would be getting smaller. That's part of why I did that. Oh, no, that one's getting bigger. So that'll be times 9. This one is also going to be bigger, so it's times 9. So x is 11 times 9 equals 99. Y is 1 times 9 equals 9. 6. All right. The scale factor is 4 to 1. I'm going to do it the other way that I showed you during class. I'm going to put these two on the top. So x and 24. And I'm going to put the other two on the bottom. And since my scale factor is 4, and it looks like it's getting smaller, that means it's going to be divided by 4. Divided by 4, but you're walking this way, okay? So that should mean that x is 24 divided by 4. Why am I having 6? And the other one would be 6/4. So I'm going to write that out. X equals 24 divided by 4. Actually, you might need to type it. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. And the other one would be 6 divided by 4, which simplifies to 3/2. There is your final answers.